Set in Java is very similar to the mathematical concept of sets. It ignores all the duplicates and only allows for unique elements. It extends the collection interface, so it also inherits all of its methods. One thing to note here is that it does not have any method of its own. It only adds the uniqueness element into all of those methods. Since set is an interface, it cannot create object of its own. It can only be used as a reference variable. These are all the methods of collection inherited by sets. We'll go through each of the methods one by one. Initially, we have the add method. It is used to add a particular element into our existing set. If the element already exists in our set, it is not added anymore. The add-all method is used to add all the elements of one set into the other. If we do s1.addAll s2, as we can see, s2 has e and f as in s1, so it will ignore those two elements and only add the rest of the elements. Then we have the remove method. It is used to remove a particular element from our set. So here if we do remove e, it will remove our element e. Since it is dynamic in size, the elements which are to the right will keep shifting when one particular element is removed. If the element is not present, whatever is passed, it will give us false. Remove all method works with two sets. It will remove all the contents of one set from the other. The retain all method is exactly opposite of the remove all method. When we do s1.retaiNall s2, it will keep only the elements which were present in s2 at s1. Here we have e and f in s2, so on doing s1.retaiNall s2, all the other elements will be deleted and only e and f will be remained. Next is the clear method. It is used to clear the particular set. So if we do s1.clear, all its elements are removed. The contain method checks whether the particular element is present in our set or not. If it is present, it will return true, else false. The contains all method checks whether all the elements of one set are present into the other set. If even one of the element is missing, it will return us false. The size method will return the number of elements inside a particular set. IsEmpty will return true only if a particular set is empty, otherwise it will return false. ToArray method is used to convert a particular set into an array. We can do all the array operations after this method is executed. Iterator is an interface in java.util package. It is used to traverse all the elements of a collection one by one. Once an iterator object is created using the iterator interface, the iterator object can be used to traverse using two more methods, that is hasNext and next. The hasNext has a boolean return type. If there is more element present, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. The next method returns the next element pointed by the iterator, and it also moves the cursor forward.